UE Nova, as part of our wireless multifunctional dynamic tracking and scanning system, is not only a tracker, but can also function as a handheld laser scanner. With an ultra-wide FOV of 2.6 meters by 2.2 meters, it is currently the handheld laser scanner with the largest scanning range on the market. Under the Scan Device Selection option, users are able to select UE Nova to be utilized as a scanner. It should be noted that for outdoor scanning, it is advisable to install the camera filter in order to achieve better data collection. Also, we can check the scan distance indicator for maintaining a correct scan distance to ensure best data quality. For hard-to-reach angles, like the top edge, the tripod can be folded and used as an extension handle for convenient scanning. Moreover, in terms of working range, in the software we can adjust the working range to near for tighter spaces, or far for a larger field of view, and greater scanning efficiency. Note that different working ranges have different point distance ranges, as well as corresponding marker sizes. Refer to the user manual and select the range according to your data requirements.